Battercada Grade 8. Battercada, what a song. It's really, really tricky this. Essentially, we're taking a battercuda from a kind of batteria ensemble, which would normally be made up of many, many people playing different drums and different bits of percussion. And we're asking you to play it all yourself as a one-man batteria ensemble. And that incorporates four-way coordination with the hands and feet, and also a whistle in the mouth. Hilariously, it's quite hard not to spit when you've got a whistle in your mouth for 3 minutes. But so it's a really challenging piece because essentially we've got five-way coordination going on. And you've got to try and emulate the feel and the rhythms and all the coordination of those many people in the ensemble. You've got to do it yourself.